No, understand, right? This morning I started the show. I will not have a pen. I say to Jody, Jody, can I please have a pen?
What is that?
It's a pen, Jody says. I should have known better.
Well,
Jody, you're not much
Jody.
bigger than this. Jody, what for doing this? Oh, make a right to this, Jody.
London, I want to me.
Okay.
Yeah,
First hot topic for you. You're going to work?
Move into the hot topics.
Oh, daily I need a napkins.
I do.
Okay, go on. I will
No,
find
me
you while you read.
me will find me.
Go on, the man.
First thing in our hot topics, there was a low turnout for St. Catherine on Independence Day for the annual Independence Day civic ceremony in Emancipation Square. The mayor, Norman Scott, declared that the residents were boycotting the ceremony because he says the state of public emergency in St. Catherine North has created an atmosphere where the people can no longer go out and enjoy themselves. He says approximately 70 people were in attendance.
But people are disputing that, no? Somebody's disputing
Well,
that?
they said when pressed, he couldn't validate his claim. JLP Councillor Kenisha Allen said it was unfounded because she said the turnout was the result of the lack of effective planning and that the leadership of the civic committee to get the councillors involved from the beginning should have done that, and it was not. That I worry about, and that me worry about, Marvin. That was not done. The Chamber of Commerce president said, what about the professional and business sector that are noticeably absent? Should we conclude that they're also boycotting the function?
Oh dear.
And he warned that Independence Day celebrations should not be used personally or politically, but should focus on nation building. The napkin come, right?
It's coming.
Okay. Yeah.
Farm Queen title, Hanover, has walked away. Another, it's not a beauty competition, but another pageant. There we go. 2018 National Farm Queen competition. The ladies were on the show on Friday. Samantha Thomas Myrie is wearing a big smile today. She is the first person to give the parish of Hanover a win in the National Farm Queen competition. She was crowned on Saturday night at Denby. She said, knowing that my parish was the only parish that didn't win, I knew that I had to win to ensure that our parish won at least one time. Said she's very prepared for what she knows is going to be a rigorous process. It is the only discipline that has every bit of occupation in it, and it is the best. Now, these ladies have to go through all sorts of rigor to get here. A lot of them are involved in agriculture, involved in farming.
That's right.
So this is a very important title. And this young lady who volunteers with the 4-H club says she's motivated to see children actively involved in agriculture. And it's for that reason she always tells her clubites, don't blend in, just stand out. All right, Speaking of standing out,
Washington, D.C. has a World Reggae Festival.
Bring it now, Miss Lady.
Embassy of Jamaica endorsed event. It will have its inaugural staging on August 19, featuring Jamaican artists. It's producer, did I forget for it? Oh, Jamaican artists such as Shabba Ranks Chronics, Toots and the Maytals, Kess the Band, Raging Fire, Rupee, Jaworks, and Ras Slick.
Yes,
It's going to be at the RFK Stadium in Northeast Washington. It's one of the main events being organized in the Washington area to celebrate the 56th anniversary of independent Jamaica. That's nice.
Very nice.
There's a huge Jamaican diaspora in Washington, you know. Whole heap of people. A lot of children go up there and go to university as well. So this is going to be great. Long overdue. So guys, go out and rep us, man. Go and rep us, make it.
Audrey Marks is the ambassador, right?
Yes,
Ambassador to the US.
she is.
Says that it was time for Jamaicans living in the diaspora to monetize the country's culture, food, music, and dance. She stressed that it was time to use the creative industry to transform Jamaica's unique resiliency, creativity, and commitment to turn the best of the culture into real economic opportunities, given that brand Jamaica is globally recognized. So
See,
Jamaicans in the DC
She says it's
area.
time to monetize the country's culture, food, music, and dance.
I heard Richie Stevens saying something like that last night.
Yeah, she says our music, like reggae and dancehall, even our movie making, has potential.
More than
Let me tell you, though,
potential.
I'm tired for hearing about potential in Jamaica. You know, when we're going to move from potential to actualization. Like we talk, so we have the potential to make money off our culture now. From Jamaica, born. That's when we are 56. So when are
it's
we?
latent, you have to get it going.
Yeah, we have to get it going. Because other people are now saying, wow, there's potential to... Them here, we have said there's potential, you know, and them gone with it and they make money off it. And we still sit down there and say, there's potential. It's the same thing with cannabis. There's potential.
I was just going to say.
Anyway, what them two you do now?
The Beehive has done it again.
Why? What you do?
American Vogue. She apparently was asked to pose for the cover. She said she would, but she had to have her own photographer, black photographer.
Yes, Beyonce.
A young man, I think he's 20-odd, 23 years old. And it is the first time that Vogue, which is perhaps the most influential fashion magazine worldwide, would have had a black photographer shoot its cover in 125 years of the magazine's history.
First time of a black person shooting 125 years of the magazine history?
Ever. And it's because Beyonce said,
wow.
Sure, I'll do it, but give me editorial control.
See her in our Jamaica Act, green and gold panda cover.
I saw it.
Yes, baby.
So this young man, Tyler Mitchell, one of the youngest photographers to have shot a Vogue, Vogue cover. He said, for so long, black people have been considered things. We've been thingified physically, sexually, emotionally. With my work, I'm looking to revitalize and elevate the black body. So go big, do the thing, do your thing.
Wonderful, Beyonce,
Well done.
wonderful.
Use your influence.
Set the elevator down.
That's right.
Wonderful.
That's right.
Wonderful.
Good for you, girl.
And creating, you see that? It's an elevator down, you create history in the process.
Is this
Can't
the
hurt
guy?
you. That's him.
Okay.
Oh, Tyler.
Very nice.
Wonderful.
That's going to do a lot
That's
for his career
heartwarming.
too, so.
Yes.
Okay.
Look here, let me tell you something.
Born.
Whole heap of people